Hey y'all, welcome to a video that I'm finally getting to do one. I'm hoping my battery will hold out and let me get this done. I got my BoxyLuxe and I also got the FabFitFun Spring Box, which I'm not at all impressed with. Just gonna go ahead and tell you. Sorry, I look like hammered crap right now. I didn't do my makeup for this video and I just ran to town and just got back, and I'm like, I'm gonna do a video while I'm actually at home by myself and able to do this. I'm sitting in my living room. I'm not at my usual bedroom, desk, or bed, or whatever. So yeah, let's get started with this BoxyLuxe before my battery dies. My hair is actually growing back out. I am about to dye it back blonde because these roots are, as y'all can see, they're terrible. My hair's a mess too, so yeah. It's a little oily because I haven't washed it yet because I want to be able to get it dyed and then wash it. But anyway, the BoxyLuxe this month, the theme was Lucky, which is St. Patrick's Day, of course, because it was March. I got this probably about a week and a half ago and it's been sitting here. Haven't even used anything out of it. First thing we see is the Barbarella palette, which is really hard to get out of this. Okay, there we go. It is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. I love all these neutral browns and stuff like that. And you can see my front door, this glare. But yeah. And they all have names like Hugh, Lewis, or Louis. It might be Louis. Andrea, Luca, Eddie, Dami, something like that. Oliver, Brad, Jason, Dean, Mo, Nick, Kofi, Pablo, Ryan, Zachary, Johnny, Seb, Jared, and Daver or Devar. I don't know, but one of them. But anyway, that's pretty awesome. This is from B Beauty London. I'm kind of excited to try this palette out. I'm not going to put it back in this because it's so hard to get out of it. So yeah. So first we got the eyeshadow palette. And then, ooh, this is the cutest. Oh my goodness. Blending eggs. It looks like an egg carton. But when you open it, it is the cutest. And yes, I've opened my box because it was sitting here and I'm like, I can't do a video right now, but I'm doing a video with y'all, so I haven't used any of it because I haven't had time. Work has been absolutely crazy. I'm working 12-hour shifts. You can see it's got these beauty blenders in it, and they're so cute. That is the best idea ever. That is the cutest thing ever. I love it. I really don't want to throw it away because it's just so cute. But yeah, that is. I needed some of those, so I'm glad for that. Then we have Tower 28. It's Save Our Skin Daily Rescue Facial Spray. That's pretty awesome. Then we have the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, I've got to get a better camera one of these days, y'all. Then a Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. That's pretty awesome. This is Glow Recipe. Take that off. And then when you take it out, it looks like a little plum. Or a butt crack. I mean, one or the other. But it looks like a plum to me. And yeah, I'm excited to use it. It comes in this little pump. Oh, my phone's vibrating. I got a new phone yesterday. I got the S21. I'm liking it so far. Then we got the Dominique Cosmetics lip liners. I believe it's 2 of them. Maybe no, it's just 1. But it's really awesome. I like the way it's shaped on the end. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's the triangular. I can't wait to use this because it's in my color too. It's in the shade Crush. Then we have this I'm very excited about. because anybody that knows me personally or knows me from me talking about it, but I have stretch marks really bad on my stomach, and of course I'm a little overweight. I have a jiggly belly, I guess you would call it, but I got this B flat. Cannot wait to use this and see if it really works, because I've been seeing it on like Instagram and Facebook and all those places, and I cannot wait to see if it works. I haven't started using it yet, but now that I've got this video done, I can start using it. I promised myself I was not going to use anything in these boxes until after I did a video. But this is Firming Belly Cream from Mind Your Body. Improves cellulite appearance and minimizes the appearance of stretch marks. So, we'll see. I have some pretty bad stretch marks, so I doubt if it's really going to do much for mine. I mean, it might do stuff for people that has like itty bitty tiny stretch marks, but mine are the really wide, really thick stretch marks, so, which makes me very unattractive and makes me self-conscious about myself, and yeah. And if I'm talking weird, y'all, I had 3 teeth pulled over here like 3 weeks ago, but I've noticed ever since they've gotten pulled, I talk different, and I don't know, I just feel different. But next is this, oh, I took it out of the thing without even showing y'all. Soleil Mini Heat Brush in apricot, I say apricot, but whatever. And it came in this pretty little bag, but yeah, I'm excited to try this out too. It's a mini one, but I kind of like that it's a mini one because there's more room in my desk and stuff for it. I don't really have a desk. I have a makeup desk, but not much will fit in it because it only has like three drawers. So most of my makeup's in there. But yeah, that was all for our Boxy Luxe. But overall, I'm very happy because some really good products. I think I added up and it's like $387 worth of product. And I only paid $49 for the box. So it's $49 every 3 months if you get Boxy Luxe, and then every month you get the regular BoxyCharm box, and it's only like $29 or 20 something. I can't even remember. It comes straight out of my account, so I don't even know anymore. I was thinking about canceling it at one time because the last few boxes I've gotten were like, eh. And I was getting like way more skincare stuff than I was anything, which I need because I still have the skin condition. I went to the dermatologist and they're like, here, try this Retin-A, put it on every night for a month. Well, I was doing that and it seemed to be helping, but then it dried my skin out so bad that my skin was like red and my skin was peeling off. That might have been a process of it, I don't know, but it just freaked me out and I stopped using it. But yeah, so that's our Boxy Luxe for this month. I will link the code below if y'all want to subscribe. It is very worth it. You get a lot of quality name brand products for very cheap. Oh, sorry y'all. This is our upside down. This is our spring box from FabFitFun. I know, it looks huge. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? It's okay. I mean, some people might like the stuff that's in here, but not me. I'm just like, it's okay. But, of course, you always get all this insert stuff. The magazine, the thing. And the first thing we see are these. These little puffs, whatever they're called. I don't even know what they're called. Beauty rounds. So yeah, you get 3 of those in there. There's 3 of those. Then we have Suns Out, Pouts Out, infused with Psycho Honeysuckle flower extract. I know I didn't say that right. 4 pieces of gold foil lip mask, which I need to use some of these now. But anyway, lip mask. Bar soap, Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Moisturizing hand scrub, elderberry and raspberry. Clean luxury hair mask from Gloss Modern. Then this little grocery tote, which I will never use. You put your groceries in it. It's like a little tote thing. Fruit, whatever, put in there. Yeah. A lunchbox. I'll take it out real quick. It is from Our Place. Why is this not coming out? There you go. But it's like this. Has this little thing on it. Thingamajig. This thing is so hard to open. Like, if you had food in it, you would probably spill all your food. It's got chopsticks, fork, spoon, and plastic knife. But, like I said, if you had food in here, you would spill it trying to get this thing open. Because it is ridiculously hard to open. And then you have this little insert here. And then the inside. But the neat thing about it is you can take this and put here. And then you can take this and put here. And then you can put this here. So it's like a collapsible one. And then you put the thing back around it to keep it, you know, safe or whatever. I mean, it's neat. I like it. It's not that I don't like it. It's just, ooh. It's just, I'm probably never going to really use it. So, yeah. Because most of the time when I'm on my way to work or whatever, I've been working so much lately that I haven't even had time to cook supper or anything else. I mean, I wish. I might cook supper tonight. Oh, it's a jet. Just because I'm off tonight. But, who knows? It's just a lot of work. Like, if you want a lunchbox, you want to just be able to just open it and eat. You know? But anyway. I'm still working on getting the rest of my teeth done. Teeth fixed. Hopefully soon. It's going to cost me a lot of money, so I'm trying to save for that. I don't know why it looks like a red spot on my head, but whatever. Alright. And then we have these packing cubes. There's a small, medium, and large in here, 3-piece set. And it's supposed to be like, fits perfectly into luggage, drawers, tote bags, gym bags, trunk space, and more. Which, I mean, these are really cool. But I just don't foresee this box being worth $50. I paid $50 for the other box and it has a lot better stuff in it. But yeah, I'm going to be canceling my FabFitFun probably. I might do it for one more month. Get the summer box, see how it goes. If it sucks again, I'm going to be canceling. Just because it's a waste of money. All this stuff is stuff that I will probably never use. But if you're interested in FabFitFun, I will leave a link below. Oh, crap. I will leave a link below. And y'all can go and see if you're interested. I'm not sponsored by them or BoxyCharm. I'm not sponsored by anyone. So I'm going to give you my complete honest opinion on everything I tell you about. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it because that's just the way I am. I want honest reviews. I want to know if something's worth the money or not. And like I said, my opinion might not be the same as your opinion. So just take my opinion with a grain of salt. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to get this bad boy out and put it to work because I have really dark hardwood floors. And we have a white dog named Sally who sheds everywhere. Everywhere. So my floors look like a grooming department for a dog. It's so bad. But I know y'all, I have not talked to y'all in a while. It's been over a month, I think, since I've made a video. But I'm going to hopefully get this uploaded before the weekend because I have to go back to work tomorrow night at 6. Work till 6 in the morning. And that's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that I've got to do that. Monday, I only work an 8-hour shift. And then Tuesday, I work a 12-hour shift. Let's just say I'm ready for spring break to be over. A lot of crazy stuff's been happening on the beach, but that's not for me to talk about. My job just keeps getting harder and harder as I go, and I'm trying to start college so I can hopefully move up in my career. But that took a turn on me, mostly because of financial aid and a bunch of other stuff that it's not worth talking about. So yeah, but I'm trying. I'm trying. That's all I can say is I'm trying. But I don't think there's anything else I need to update y'all on. Other than I'm still here. I'm doing well. I'm just working on, say I'm doing well, but I'm stressed out and depressed most of the time. But yeah, I don't have many friends around here. So yeah. I'm rambling, y'all, just because I don't have anybody to talk to, so, except for you guys. If you're not subscribed, please do. I'm going to try to start making more videos. I know I say that every single time I do a video, but I'm being serious this time. I'm going to make more videos. Even if it's just vlogging me going to work or me coming home from work or any of that. I can't vlog at work, of course. But I will start vlogging, even if I'm just sitting here talking to y'all about products or doing reviews or whatever, makeup tutorials. I'm going to start trying to do those. I just have not had time to really wear much makeup lately. Because I'm usually I'm sleeping during the day, I'm working at night, and then when I'm not sleeping, I'm trying to enjoy a little bit of time cleaning. I say enjoy, but I'm usually cleaning house or getting stuff done before I have to go to work. So yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you want to see. Anything you want to talk about, ask me. I'm up for it. I want to start doing some kind of devotional type of stuff on here. I don't know if many people will approve, but then again, I really don't care because I believe in God and I'm a Christian, and for the most part, I'm not a perfect Christian, and nobody's a perfect Christian. But I believe in God, and I believe that we need to draw closer to Him with everything going on in the world. But yeah, I will start doing some of those too for people that do want to see stuff like that. And maybe one day I'll get on here and be like, look y'all, I have a beautiful smile again, and my skin's better, and yeah. My stretch marks are gone. Maybe I can use that stuff and be like, my stretch marks are gone. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Unless I ever get a tummy tuck, and I don't have money for that. But, yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. The ones that have stuck with me, I love you all so much. Beyond anything. But, yeah. I'm going to go, and don't forget to subscribe, share, do whatever you want to do. But I love you all so much. Bye.